We proudly present the 2016 edition of the St. Clair County High School Sound of the Saints. Tonight, the Sound of the Saints will present a portion of the 2016 show entitled Love. The production will open up with Elvis Presley's Can't Help Falling in Love with You, and then take off with the Beatles' #1 hit, She Loves You. The Sound of the Saints will close tonight's performance with Nat King Cole's famous tune, Love. The band is under the direction of Mr. Ethan Owen. The color guard coordinator is Miss Caitlin Johnson. The percussion captain is Kobe Alola. Color guard captains are Anna Kate Andrasco and Faith Ledbetter. The band is under field direction of drum major Kala Wallace. Drum major, is your band ready?
Yeah.